So look, here we go right here. When I meditate, what you see, eyes closed, breathing. What you don't see, discipline, mental clarity, spiritual freedom, inner peace, creativity, connection to my purpose. Now listen, family, these 10 to 20 minutes is not, it's a thing that you're building upon, okay? This is a gateway. This is a habit. It's just like brushing your teeth, right? When you're brushing your teeth, you don't think about brushing your teeth. You just know, oh, let me brush my teeth, right? You've been programmed. You've been a walking, talking human for the longest. Now you're trying to get out of that human and become chaos being. All your traumas, all your past worries and stresses, all your whole adventure has been programming you to live the life that you're living now. You wake up every day doing exactly the same thing every day. You are a human robot. What you're trying to do is move past that robot and get into the God body.
Message.
Only way you're going to do that is by breaking and shifting things up, i.e. meditation. But it's not about you just saying, okay, let me go and meditate. No, it's deeper than that. It's doing something different every single day so you can shake up the internal process, the program that's been laid upon you. You're a robot. Try to get out of that robotic state. Get up, brush your teeth, go to the restroom, go put on your clothes, get ready for work, drink some coffee, drive the same path to work, come back home, watch Dream at night, go to sleep, do it all over and over and over again, the same thing. No, we got to shake that thing up and break the habit. Because you're not a robot, you're a God. And this system has programmed you or designed you to be robotic. He is in the idealized in you in your 10 minutes and really 20 minutes, if you can carve that time out for yourself, is you. Shit. That 20 minutes of you being in the imagination world, the visualization realm. And that's exactly what our book is. Our book is giving you 33 meditations that's gonna quickly, powerfully change your life. Every single one of these meditations, D. Ray and I have